This car goes gliding down the icy neighborhood like it's on a mission. And that mission is absolutely destroying every mailbox in sight.
Oh, God.
No, not ours. Boom.
Oh,
No, 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 no.
Welcome to England, where the road is so icy, nobody's walking. Everyone's just arriving. People keep sliding into frame like they've been summoned by gravity itself. Who needs skill when you have ice? Just slide, drift and pray. It's the most chaotic parallel parking tutorial you'll ever see. Who needs lanes and balls when you have ice and cars? 8 down, applause from the Chaos Committee. Two unsuspecting victims, and a street full of regrets. When a trailer starts sliding on ice, the smart move is clear. Pack your stuff, hit reverse, and let physics handle the rest. Here's a guy who went all in on a flashy Corvette, but apparently thought winter tires and driving lessons were optional.
Who drives that in the winter? Like,
yeah, even Texas knows better.
yeah, it's even a. Hey, at least he has an LSD. They do both spin from time to time. Oh, dude, he's so fun. Parking lot, or come through our parking lot. There he goes. He figured out it's a little better in the middle. There he goes. Yeah, he made it. He made it.
This guy thought he was in control, until he met a trailer driver who's basically an ice wizard. Suddenly, he's getting an unplanned drifting masterclass.
Bardziej zewnętrzną, jak dasz radę. Wtedy bardziej będzie widać, że leci bokiem. O, tak, teraz lepiej. Jedź zewnętrzną. Paweł. O, teraz jest git.
A sports car helping a trailer? Just another day in Russia, where even the fanciest rides get put to work. This is the ultimate ice rescue mission. The rope snaps not once, not twice, but 3 times. And yet this heroic convoy never gives up. In the end, the car is pulled from the icy water. Proof that teamwork, persistence, and sheer Russian determination can conquer anything. The hill is undefeated. Cars try, cars fail, and ice just laughs. Mission free the car complete. Collateral, accidental snow castle.
Come to Tahoe, they said. Be fun, they said.
Ice sends a trailer to the ditch, but it says nope and returns like a boomerang.
just watched somebody go in the ditch, dude. He's trying to get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. He saved it, dude. He saved it. He went right in the ditch, dude. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell he was thinking.
When you blow your savings on a flashy sports car but can't afford winter tires. Ice 1, Ego 0. When your BMW isn't just for looks, it's now officially a snow clearing machine. Watch this car begin its graceful ice ballet and take 3 innocent parked cars along for the ride. It's less traffic and more dominoes on wheels.
Where were you? Man.
2 heroes try to stop a runaway car with nothing but their hands. Spoiler, physics wins.